when you get a computer that's not powering on. First thing you do is check to make sure the power supply is on, and then you can see the light. But all those lights mean is there's power to the lights. Yes, there's power to the lights. It doesn't mean the power supply is good, it just means there's power to the lights. Try to turn the system on and it doesn't work. Then you grab another power supply and you try to plug it in. So you've connected the cables and you power on the system, and it doesn't power on. This means that your motherboard is bad, or we got a bad power supply. But before we determine that, we check another power supply. And with this one, the system doesn't turn on, so we're going to short it out. Just to see if the power button's bad, we pump over here, and we try to short out the circuit. And it's not working. So now I've confirmed that the motherboard is bad. Another option is it could be actually the processor, because if the processor doesn't work, the whole system just doesn't work.